Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an origami crane. I do realize I already have one on my channel, but it wasn't that good because I made it like 3 years ago and my hands were all shaky and there wasn't really a good camera angle, and yeah, so I'm going to show you how to make one. So what you're going to need, a square piece of paper. Now to start this off, you're just going to fold it directly in half. I mean, I do realize I didn't upload a video last week, but that's fine. 1 week doesn't really matter. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half again. And then we're going to open it back up and we're going to fold it in half this other way, like this. Then in half. This is easier than opening it up and folding it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to do a squash fold. So we're just going to lift that up. I'm just going to squash it down. Same to the other side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold that side there to the middle crease. We're going to do the same to this side here. Then we're going to flip it over. Now we're going to do the exact same thing. Fold the sides into the middle crease. And then if you really want to, you can make a little fold there just by folding that over. Now what we're going to do is we're going to unfold these and we're going to open it up like this and fold it down. But while we do that, we're actually bringing in these sides like that. And then we're just going to make sure all the folds are good. Now we're going to flip it over. Do the same thing, just open those up. If you want, you can just fix up that fold so it works on that side as well. Now I'm just going to open this up like so. And just fold these down. Like that. Just crease it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be folding these edges here to the middle. But not directly to the middle. Leave a little tiny gap like that, so when you invert it in one of the next steps, you know, it works properly. Now you do the same to the other side, just fold that to the middle. Now flip it over. We're going to do the same. The same to the other side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a reverse fold, and we're just going to flip that up. So we're just going to open it up like that. We're just going to fold it up. And then when it gets up, we fold that together like this. And then to make it look nice, instead of having it all the way in like that, have it a little bit out for the tail like that. Now we'll do the same for the other side. Open it up. Then close it back up. As you can see here, I folded them too close to the middle right there. That's why you have to leave the little gap so this doesn't happen to you. Now pick which side's going to be your head, and you just fold that. You just fold it down and then reverse fold it again like that. Now all we have to do is fold down the wings. So these here are the wings, and just fold them down. And you can tell when to stop because there's one of the folds we made earlier made this little thing that automatically makes us stop there. So your wings are always perfect. And then after that you can adjust the tail if you want, if you think it's too close in. And then what you can do if you want to is you can just slightly pull the wings to shape in the body like that. But not too hard because you don't want to rip the paper. And then you are done. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Comment what you think would be nice for me to make in the next video. That's it. Bye.